Dr. Driven Feuerstein, professor at the prestigious Hebrew University of Jerusalem. 2004 adamli in a Reader's Digest li hibago when class 11 li tamder ka point hi mathana gi darwen mamlai le da clean. Intelligence reinforce psychology. Psychology reinforce emotional quotient, vice versa, or emotional intelligence reinforce intelligent quotient. At the same time, psychology reinforce emotional intelligence. Itum hi ringpha mai de lekha. Higher is our state of emotional purity or refinement. Higher is our level of intelligence today. At the same time, itum psychology he refines some it lekha. Sheng mai de lekha. Yang, I mean, let's say inspired by the ideals of humanism. Higher is our level of intelligence today. In a substantial corporate Prabhupada the Ming Dynasty with Chinese Emperor. The best quality iron is actually not used for the manufacture of nails. At the same time, similarly, best human beings or good human beings do not become soldiers. Emotions or psychology refine some recover. Level of intelligence upgrade some among the psychology static meaning. Emotional disposition by intellectual quotient by psychological orientation by nothing is static. Everything is subjected to change. Improve China adaptation is important. Salak Nada Qr.Ngahanyui Zimik Pamao senior sak me akva ping le gujung leo kita amai on singli na daily chance miao the opportunity ja thumle miao lu jo me yang ngai ne national na Cheif Guest sa dat ku fu le ga mo sak na khai lam tham ni te na di hang khai ni jang ka to TWSK we conference li la amai sa ko ini li speaker sang jin jang ka ba to nang ka chai lik sa je a jo Tangkhul miang la long we conference li la amai ai ge ini li conference speaker sa lu da hang khai na accept sa tu jin jing kum 45 kan karang de ka pulpit li at the large gatherings, Muzak now I'm the Kaknayaban Delhi University way colleges, 3 colleges, Cheif Guest Samilo, the Kregum, last 2 years, 3 times invitation Rahani, kind of Shapan the ice, now the sun away, original Musafaka. Amay on sing the persist Salui, China, Papta Goyak, and I Qr.Ngahanyui being turn down Sacer kind of Adam Sapa in the last option Sakai, either president accept some young within, accept some kind. I don't really done a hang Sarai. Lulu with significance 80% in a Mutukusaja and a hang hiding. China are in along the topic that the shift sack by Saturday, divert sack by Lulu with significance and how get the other implied connotations. Lulu with meaning Jili to me relevant sack by Terga sack by Ki later, which you want to say within the context of Tangkhul society. Taka Lulu he first. Economic cycle the first step I don't know and I declare some year ago. Takamai government of India India it financial year economic cycle April to March the Kumjani Tatabok day it my financial year here. Janara Lulu Jaugi the foundation, a pillar, a roots, a beginning, a first step Jaugi the Ara Qr.Ngahanyui Zimik national being 25 years and below. Omening ka avuva itum tata national jingkum 10 years and below ling now the clipping li in focus on Maramba issue is sort of intellectual generation among the Tangkhul is clearly evident. Yet the various senior bureaucrats by upcoming public intellectuals by go on the emoli saser kai go China here serious kasami the kuitai kuitar sa thai ishapunang sansar ka hang thai. Now, aku with destiny, now aku with faith, 50% only decide something today. Takamina, Ajala could top intellectuals, top theologians, Christian organization, the highest grade theologians, give me a child before he is 7 years today, and I'll show you the man. But here now he genetically show first 7 years, impressions, sense perceptions, cultivate sadly. Kajiji matter sa chitro yang China Arab Japanese American public intellectual Japanese origin Robert Kiyosaki na khang thada rich dad and poor dad kuch significance cái gì ta nào nè sang thuế cái gì ta nào nè chạm nó cái chạm số à và vun là chạm sa là chạm sa à vun là chạm sa là chạm sa he intelligence là mới định chính được IQ là mới định chính được he social intelligence là mới định được within the family chỉ là achieve family values cái thà đấy chạm thà đó à và vun thà đó financial discipline financial habits là phải nature of saving à nó cái thà đó I mean economic environment within the context of economic sphere chỉ cái thà đó operate sát đấy our psychological orientation 사들이 히 그중 그히 다들 항시가 나와클리 아부반의 shape 사들이네 이제래요. It doesn't necessarily come from formal education, university lebai, colleges lebai. hang hai ban ba. In example la kami 19th century philosopher Immanuel Kant na hang thada. I mean ka thada 항시가 the finest intellectual culture here. One particular community na promote sai dangde, the Jewish community. If you look, I mean, I will give you statistical inferences, for example. USly, let's say, for example, 0.2% of the US population, Jewish community, accounts for about 6.5 million population out of a total of 350 million. Because he make up something called Professor Stephen Bingley in the University of Harvard, probably the most prestigious university in the world. The great thing about the Jewish community is that they are absolutely uncompromising when it comes to matters intellectual refinement. Yeah? Intellectual sphere really absolutely uncompromising. Just 2% of the US population, they account for 20% of the professors in the top 100 universities of the United States of America. 20%. They account for 37% of the winners of national medals for science in the United States of America. They account for 40% of the Nobel Prize winners of economics in the United States of America. Starting from the first American who won the Nobel Prize in economics, Paul Anthony Samuelson by Simon Kuznets by Franco Manticlani by, or let's say David Grossman by, let's say John Forbes Nash by. And then forget about that. The first woman to actually become the Nobel Prize winner in economics, Professor Elinor Ostrom, he's Jewish. Yeah? And forget about that. The first woman in the United States to become the chairperson or the governor of the Federal Reserve or the Central Bank of America, Professor Janet Yellen, she's a Jewish American. She also became the first US secretary, the first woman US secretary, equivalent to the finance minister of government of India, the US government, the first treasury secretary. Apart from that, 50% of the public top 200 public intellectuals in the United States of America, including Henry Kissinger, very famous, including, let's say, for example, let's say even Thomas Friedman, they account for 50% of the international chess champions today, Jewish community. Despite the fact that they account for only 0.2% of the global population, they account for 25% of the Nobel Prize winners in physics, 22% of the winners of Nobel Prize in, let's say, chemistry. For example, physically, Albert Einstein by, let's say, Daniel Bohr by, Niels Bohr by. Hang Banava. It's an intellectual sphere, really. Focus kasadar kasai. There was a point in time, 2013, 2014, 2015, in a notice kasad. I was surprised, even me myself personally. At one point of time, Tangkhul now being here 10 to 15 doctorate degrees produced in the highest in the country. If you consider the average population young. Now, in National Council for Applied Economic Research, now based on statistical data of the 63rd round of NSSO, National Sample Survey Organization, and in collaboration with one US Policy Institute based in Washington, D.C. And in a collaborate 595 districts in India survey ka sa tam jitran. Ukru district ranked number 6 ni umjong jite. Masan samning day. Considering the population average, our population is 1.84. At that particular point in time, Tangkhul now 2 secretaries to the government of India. At that particular point, at any particular point in time, there are only about 120 to 130 secretaries to government of India. The highest ranking bureaucrats, or the finest of the IRS officers, become the secretaries to government of India. The finest and the best brains, the bureaucrats of India, become the secretaries to government of India. Total 120 to 130. At one point of time. And we had, let's say, so many doctorate degrees. Ukru ranked number 60 all India. But then after a point in time, there has been massive degeneration. Massive degeneration. doctor degree kya kha generate sat le regular employment ni gazetted officers kya kha ungsam da le bureaucracy le kya kha clear sat le sakai go 9 years kai go Union Public Service Commission ni UPSC crack mak sai it's very bad issue history li hikta him jong nang ji Tangkhul history li him jong nang ji no hian na hai nei at most create like about 4 years 5 years da le san da then you know 2011 ni mi kutum 2013 ni mi khni 2014 ni mi mati 2007 li mi kutum 2001 li mi aka 2000 mi aka 2007 li mi kutum 2003 li mi aka 其他啥真的 but since 2014 zero 他个he clear 来的嘞 Jaina Araba right choices privatization itu me priority set ka sa seed sowing festival ka sa tam ji tan ka ta ka ji ka itu me ma chu ong vu ne khya wa tam ji tan ma chu ma ta mai kap ka ji ram ji li ma chu ma ta mai kap ka ji sapling ji collect sa hui le ka ji yao hu min de 教父的 supply 产的一种双膨胀方法，其他的啊，这样个一种的推荐性的，奥父真的 the finest the best quality shipping 就可以那个让老兵的要美金的，即奥父 responsibility 的了，这都没搞觉得了，在那的 priority set 啥个就办了，可能老兵的那可能外人的有多少兵力那个他可能说，可以经过25 and below plus 一种脑的可能兵力那 focus 上海呢，一种可能等么，其实个他这样子 survive 啥会么这个 retain 啥会么这个吧，么啥都白给钱。 China choice privatization 个家等就看，一那行的。Saint Stephen's Lee principal 阿克雷塞 ，Dr. Watson 他们的，一那里生个朋友等就看，一直的搞这个，Dr. Watson 他们的为些，I mean our PhD Oxford 的国生进来 ，around 1980s 啊，他们的 50% of India's IFS is Saint Stephen's 的 Krakow. Despite the fact that 40,000 colleges India 里里上了 50% IFS Saint Stephen's 在大城。 1993等的 45% of IS is Saint Stephen's 在你那里，现在按照这个行的了。If you think you are smart, don't show me your dresses, don't show me your fashion. I don't. This college campus is not I mean fashion parade. Fashion show 啥命没？当然行的，现在是哪个呢 ？If you think you are smart, show me your marks, show me your mark sheet. 当然行的，现在按照个大堂说。 What is the easiest thing for any student or any college or any university graduate to do in a college campus? 去了，拜没追个这，这里拜个没么嘞？去了当然得，蒙多代呢蒙汉搞得了嘞噻，去了在呢，腰推，行了，我说脑里腰推那个正法蒙亏，哈哈，因为正可能平的 criticize 他们一直蒙不蒙的，可打啥了，蒙了个这了蒙拜没，蒙了他了蒙不蒙嘞。 Pastor Hilly later, kaya nang kampan apa? No to me, judgment tersalah kaya na attitude cita ada gas kesapa meni me, kaya nang kampan apa? Yau tu shon naga relaxation naga, sakit kerja masalah, enjoy salah ke kepamping. Ason tang iu ikut sempat je ili 3 days tapam, Sydney University li MTech tapam berada. Ahi aru currently University of Kolkatali Italy li MTech tapam, kaya exchange program ni Sydney ni tadi. Jangan ada yang amai ngani singkum 26 kaya deh. Jadi ni ini singkum before 28 years sing rakui do jadi. Open namun sembang dong lairik kita mereka degree hibar mereka, ada certification hili fokus salah mereka, ngelakui mereka, paisa kecantan mereka, kecantikan mereka, hinjain kang. Forget about your certificate. Never ada certificate mang hili fokus salah mereka. Jili tak mereka 9 months apa mereka jili skill ke tak tahu mereka, jili tak ada knowledge acquisition, jili fokus pasang rigorous process of intellectual tak ada knowledge production pa hili fokus masalah certificate mereka paisa mereka. 他的历史的 enjoy 啥回事？就把这里 focus 么啥路线的，样，在那的 related to that individual level 啦，好咯 ，societal level 里的，我现在的他的 doctor 对什么讲的，睇嚟的，认为我们整个 doctor 对什么讲的 ，Saint Stephen's history professor 呢，啊，那一定现在讲他的 Manipur government 呀 ，government of Manipur is the government of the contractors by the contractors for the contractors 是的，我现在来讲他的。 Itu society kecil society sau kita lagi yang aja nak apa yang lo 1950s 1970s atam ni lain kecil-kecil bingli fokus sah sahaja no way tak intellectual achievement intellectual attainment itu so kuai awang powerful kesah bingli fokus macam apa ha saya 100 200 lagi kesah bingli fokus macam apa awalnya sangdong je keep property lagi sah 1952 ni 1948 ni Scottish Church College ni BA graduate awalnya sangye yang awal umur saya dah hendak kau first MA ni, I mean Tangkhul first MA ni 1952 ni Kolkatali University MA history group sangi, Thai tu Oxford ni 1954 ni double MA kau group sangi je. At one point of time yang issue level je, awal yang musuh saya dah je lo tribal now actually 1940 the first STC ne original jilo and the STC ne 1950 batch ne at one point of time issue with level ji ta de leksa ji China ada ka thakra juga issue with degeneration ni ka da redeem sao secret ka ja tam ji tan abu ba udung ni le itum khlak tu ya tum ni le ki pa khana sa mirar gi jim ni hi politician ki pa na MLA ki pa khana or church leaders ki pa na redeem sa miram itum khlta revive sa la ka shap ai na dang da ta da ka da thang secret secure itum mai own future ji secure sa ko ik fai sa se ka ji ji ta da main sa la kai na hang kai ni China especially between 20 to 25 years later clipping itum ka tang na bin le in hang hai go singkum 20 to 30 hi ba aroi ma khra tha ji ne yang ka 30 ka khai atam ji than 30 to 40 hi ba mi khip a ka da jin da ha adam kan kai im dem go 2022 we graduate na 2025 we graduate at most hiling han chapra complete sa chapra ka 2022 we graduate na 2026 we graduate complete sa da ji it's absolutely impossible jimam lai lo itum we miren he 2 years max 3 years lish man rok te jingkum khani kha or jingkum kuthum kha ai relax sa khoi fus ne ai khayao thui khoi fus ne ngala khoi khoi fus ne ke ji jang ji lish man ji ne ina khre le ga ke re council kham ya dam ni hang amai nga chan na hilbam de inding so dam ye hi ina ikha da post sa hai ni ne ka issue with level of degeneration hi hen na ho gi da mai hi tha bai ma ne especially me now mla na bing ne ka tha da khre lo kham ye na bing Tangkhul future yin na thum bang li da thing da la na bing ga daily food hai sa da bai awre sang na hang ai am chi rang ga yaw shim ni ga da dam ji than yang I prevu shi a shi ni 2018 ni April ga jang ne inaw ga phra dam ni khung a dam ji than me year now ba ma khang ser bai ko ji de ni naw be ni khang ko me year now ba ma khang ser bai ko me year now ba khang ser rai ka ba o chi shoi dai da China na skin center sa na khang a le me year now ba ngulung bui li da ka thak ro jin da shim na pi da ka thak ro jin da ngulung bui li da ka thak ka phu sa ram ro me a no yang da ta da ka da dang body structure la discipline na ma tha me tap sa me jin da China ka shapai na dang da issue with responsibilities issue with focus pa je mo shiman sai ka ji je ka shapai na dang da ji hang khai le da khin ka dei la ka hang ai fu ka I topic ba shift sa khai ni luiru issue ing shan me mram ning ka 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 sang ba a jon choi da 80% cover sau ke da ai ji ba ji shift sa rim da ji na total ya ring ram da diverse sa khoi khan ni mai mu sa lo no thum na relevant mu sa sa pai kai ka ot ka sa ping wang ma ka main sa kai na lairik tam da clipping now snow ping no thum below 25 really da clipping kla abu ba jingkum mu nui da kai na now da clipping I thum mi ka sha pai na dang da I thum society hi ka ta transform sa si kla ji focus sa sai a jon thang senior IS officer ak ling ha exactly info secretary anam san sa la ka kang da what happened to you Tangkhul si dei senior IS officer ne aming ma hang dei 1980s Adam liver Tangkhul info secretary chief Tangkhul na control sa khan da yang MCS gather lo no opening ga direct IS recruiter no yo madam Christian chong dong ji Tangkhul na mang ning le ga whole of Manipur and number 1 day shnong jai li madam Christian chen tu na ke ba dong song de hang na tu na bang kang ga lo tu na ma sang madam Christian chen ni 1977 Manipur and first new war shnong jai li madam Primrose le foreign service li Manipur and first new war atum shi family ka dai Manipur dong ni na ka dong ni ma zeng ka san da ka ka da hao that is generation acha la kui history ji le ri choi sabam de ki sa pai da ina iram naw bin ha ngai iram naw dai ka tam mang ma ru chen iram phung jam naw bin ya 1960 to 1970 hili iram ni graduate cha da thuk jang sai ji in jan ka hang de la MA degree holders bin mi thuk jang sai ji 1960 to 70 to ka da hao hlei iram hi ka da hai grei ji thiam crack ning li thiam crack ira jang ai thri ka ot bang sang ai de Kuki ba shi le ni shin na ko ba shi refugees ka chi refugees atomi refugees ta hang yang la symbolically terminologically refugee ke man da ka chang ka refugee la ma atum na ko dong systems institutes ko dong institution ko dong control sa set le China ka shapai na dang da itum hi hot na mai sai focus sa mai sai hi permanent of ba lam ni employees officers ko chong le de le dong jong ni la focus sa sai hi ka ta da bang ka sa ta da permanent thui ba lam ni ka thang ma dang ka ba shi mu lo at the end of the day shi mu lo You brother-in-law na kang da na. I had director na tribal affairs to Hilsi. Or sang 2011 ni IS ni ana kang de. Ka hang na ma hang ai ni. Isi Tangkhul ba khalei le ga 5 years with the dustbin ru do de. 哟，专注的单提的，一些当过的dustbin有多的几的，没累累了个，secretary 几路 ，government 几路没累累，样 ，politician 几路 ，cabinet minister 几路，啊，我们他可以动的 future 个里的嘞，行样啦，行路真的，那我心脑病的，你一定不行爱美，不得可以吧？哎。he condescending kesana discriminate kesana itu loh kuipai yang ketan itu loh kuipai ke he confuse musaki sini pursuit of excellence number one target kesana ini elitism jam correct nih jiwa fokus jiwa mindset cuma sampai nih ji attitude cuma tak sini wo itu number one pursuit kesana ji elitism nih kamu kuipai pai sini pursuit of excellence noble struggle nih wo jangan ada hang sini ojo nasional begini entrepreneur, bureaucracy, government service or bureaucracy or entrepreneurship, government service or entrepreneurship. 啊，专注的单睇了，阿明山的睇了，阿明永信的睇了，Uncle Jacob的睇了。Itu society ni 99% lupa syaka tangkhul miuna cicing dak leh, capai dak leh, kesenjong bai dak leh, mengbai dak leh, go sai bai dak leh, lupa syaka jile 99 rupees government na bidal leh. Mening Lega 99 rupees government naik na samphang lega na government ni masa ngai ni kau nak cito. Ini paham tak ni here. Hima sapai mana? Hima sapai mana? Nutum nasional ping. Kerana aku kini ping ni open samphang mana? Ha, yang open samphang mana? Social work tu sahaja lega. Misguide sah lega. Social media ni kepik zublo. Nutum ni misguide sah apa? Jia aku sang ni tu mukul. He hurt sah kapai le sahaja. Kecil aku sang ni tu mukul. Lupa syak ni 99 rupees government na lihat government ni bukan ngaji. Cikle, jenda. Jadi logik apa lah? Logik mak lain. China kesepai na tengda. Itu society na ilah. Cuat lagi. Government ni orang kesat cuat lagi. Kifang cuat kita. Cuat lagi. Ni yang tu. Aduh, cikle yang wing lady orang saw kita. Cuat lagi. Atau dah naik pun dah. Naik chan dah. 100% betul kan clear. Sama ni betul kan. Tu ya posai dah. Tang li 55 e-office li clear sandi tu ni. Lalu birokrat aku satu ada kelak hafal tak ada ne tu macam kapai tu nu senior officers ni 55 clear satu 2019 ni 10 group A officers na sing sa charges ini tu sing tu last 7-8 months ni tu mereka ni file ni mata tu apa analyze misalnya file jauh kai mereka apa akhwana you are not the postman you are not the hafaldar the government of India is not paying you 1.3 lakh in a month to be a postman jinau deh ot kesat jod lagi kecuali kepak benefit sih lagi juga. Nih hiji tak ada ikut na yung government you berada di luar negeri sengkata. Ay manipuli ot mengbang, anahang manipuli ot mengbang. Ay tak ada maximum 3 hours matra tang deh. Ibu sini aku mesti nak proponan ada hiara joint commissioner, additional commissioner saat le. Infal GST anang na. Zimik hoser. Sida lao life di pun sida lagi ni anang deh. Life kerja kerja hili lagi tang deh. Kerja neng hai tu kerja roser. Dah anang jelah. 5% of Kolkatali tapak tu infal tu leh, anang deh. Satu di exaggerate tu pun malah tak nungsu, inang jadi. Nanti exaggerate tu pun nanti asyik bah hairo di 5% nanti 2% ni. Nanti Kolkatali 100% sahaja go infal ni 2% ni, anang deh. Kah inang deh. Central government ni injani you berada di luar negeri sengkata. I don't know lah cingkum central government ni directorship or deputy secretary ni, anda cikgu deputation kau kisah dah Malaysia, musang anda joint secretary kau na thira jadi ina khang ra central government ni khung atam din na thira na chi thatam tui sa lo ta hang ok sangkat la je sangkat nei de chi nei I thumai nei I thum ka shapai na dang da encourage sang lok ga ki pak lim dui ga la mning ki pak lim dui ta mning angal ji ka bong hin nei lo atu bi ak pak sa ni isha ba long hi more or less ta da atum da 5 years ka senior sa sa isha ba long just mere graduate da opam lam ba sam nei just village ni lui ba ga 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 nei chi yang I thum life hi ta da kan da yo 2 hours alungli longbing上班那个 2 hours 你碰上个上证那个参备的话碰上你政法大会这个 Holy Spirit boarding 里我们地么大的那个拜个手这到位来翻到对上你这个个做的门把子可其他谁人的其他谁你那 example 可你行爱做给那啥可你 attention 差那个那我给的行开呢我一可能比你看你们 Armstrong 的一行子 election duty 个是打的你 Armstrong 你搞什么 Armstrong 的行的 3 years, Nehru Vihar top floor, 4th floor lipam laga. Saya don't know mita laga. Minimum 10 hours for 3 years lairik paiji. Ada Central Secretary Ajakum Stadium, Targanya relax asai. Ada Central Secretary, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, the Deputy Secretary, ada Director Sauro, and Kiamro. Ajon Tangi at 12:30 AM in Tonga, office Lipum Jingo. The Jitai Amazing Lucam Trade, Ojada Moiva Trade, Mimuli Rime, Tangkhul Secretary Kaki Mihi, Muli Rime, Nakani Muli Rime, Armstrong Vang died of Linda. Armstrong Vang died of Linda. Tatric problem he lake, Hyderabad. Problem he lay. Kushapan the Jana, mine was hello, Ila Hangayong the Hangli, Katata, Hamkulaka, which in it, and within the Guiteji, rank number 33 Kumi. Ada I Boni Deputy Commissioner Sadly. Cheif, I mean, Development Authority with German Saxon, I, and a hang today. Like a bottom to the mains, bottom to Hena, Baugita, I, Kutumshida, hospitalized size day. Not an Ashi Kumano, temperature control Saram there. Like Ashava and Ashava Limon Sopome. Ashava and Ashava, Kanini aims to talk to Sadler. Ashava Ashava Limon Sopome. Kivang Legend, I like in Papa. Room hidden over Huilaga, room to the among Bundle. Matada Shamangza, Tangkhul, 12-13 hours, Paugida. I hit 3 times hospitalized Saturday, main Saturday. The Jita Siri, a main Jan the Kamina, a main Jan the Kamji, Kihamro. Jingkum Kutum, Zunay, you would general studies consolidate Kasatamji. Jingkum Kutum, Tangkhul, 10 hours, like a kahai with chili. Minimum Puntra, Panahai with chili. Prelims, tuck, clear Sasha Power, the hang day. Musan day. Ojaram Nimuana, Pakai Christian College, 1981-82, the lecturer Saturn and a camera, and 17 hours mains Katamnao lairik paiji. Because how many lago? The China war, it to me, Louis what was hanging the itumui, primary protection, cycle, engagement hanging the Kutong lairik tamdari. Lairik tamdari, service sector, tertiary sector, or quaternary sector, he had a managerial position, elite class, Litsangai, the Kutong lairik tamdari, Nima. The private sector, the public sector, the quaternary sector, service sector, he leads a Chedakli, Chipang, Louis Omsangai. Tatri cover, police katamnao, light katamnao. Louis Omsangai, nature cover, mental activity is up. Makasam Sabai, Vision Kivang Saki, Maksam Sabai, Malam Brodo, no godfather Jidik Hamnima. Women can be careless. Children can be careless, but a man cannot be careless. Effort to be careless even for 1 day today. Tangkhul careless because I know. No, if you make a collapse, I go. Uncle Jacob na hang the jail. Jeffek go. In a hang of women go. Young. No, khanuithot ping. 20 to 25 days of clipping now shopping. You're not being in Congo. The Twitter. We are now in the focus on hygiene. But I'm in your knowing. Lano being in the Kimang by me. Chinese will probably. The man who is the luckiest man on the planet today? The man who receives the true love of a woman is the luckiest person on the planet today. Sentence still then, without basic necessities, without basic money, true love cannot survive today. True love, Adamakli, family within the institution of marriage, true love, other things remaining constant. So, in a Ibrivung la Huang, in a Sakai, Salaga Zamang to Party Sazat, in a Pishon, the Gata, or Kikam, the Otkam Sala, Shimnik Saikabom, your Ibrivu Lexi is something with that. Something with that. Chinkao today. The brain of the Axi Chinka shall go panda. Meaning, the Gine, Mianoping, the Termino, Murderlo, Pusada Murderlo, Ningra Murderlo. Chitadrico or something. Chipana the Timasam Hizin. It's Sangnam Dere.